Charming one-bedroom in Ditmas Park, steps from Prospect Park transit shops and nightlife. Cross streets Ocean Ave and Church Ave, Brooklyn, New York. Welcome to your new home in beautiful Ditmas Park, one of Brooklyn's most sought-after neighborhoods. This spacious and inviting one-bedroom apartment is perfectly located near Prospect Park, offering easy access to outdoor space, recreation, and year-round activities just minutes away. Prime location and transit. Located near Ocean Avenue and Church Avenue, this apartment offers excellent access to transportation and city convenience. Steps from multiple MTA subway lines, including the B and Q at Church Ave and the 2 and 5 at Church Ave, making commuting throughout NYC fast and easy. Several local bus routes and nearby major roadways add even more convenience. Neighborhood lifestyle and local favorites. Ditmas Park is known for its charming residential feel, historic homes, tree-lined streets, and strong sense of community, while still offering vibrant city living. Nearby highlights include Prospect Park, ideal for jogging, biking, picnics, concerts, the Prospect Park Zoo, and the Long Meadow, Church Avenue shopping district with bakeries, grocery stores, cafes, and everyday essentials. Ditmas Park restaurants and cafes offering brunch, artisanal coffee, craft beer, and international cuisine. Quarterly road nightlife, wine bars, and weekly farmers markets. Popular nearby spots include La Paddock, Kings County Brewers Collective, Aldiwa Trattoria, and Oxomoco, accessible by a quick train ride. Ideal home for city living. This rented one-bedroom apartment offers the perfect balance of comfort, location, and lifestyle. Ideal for professionals, couples, or students looking to enjoy Brooklyn living with excellent transit access and neighborhood charm. For similar listings and more information, visit U2apartment.com.